multicolored pelmeni or dumplings without dye. This pelmeni blew up the internet. Hello everybody, today we will prepare such very delicious homemade dumplings without adding dyes. To get the color we need the flavoring products: spinach, red cabbage, carrots, beets and soda. First, let's start with dough. In order to get green pelmeni, we need the spinach juice. Take advantage of a blender and add some water. Squeeze through the sieve and it turns out to be a clean natural dye. This juice mixes flour, add salt, sugar, eggs and water. Mix the dough and we leave the dough to rest. Done! It's turned out a very rich green color. For a yellow dough, we will need carrot juice. Wrap the carrot and squeeze juice. If you don't have a juicer, then you can do the flavoring. And for add a purple pelmeni, we need a beet and a red cabbage. We produce juice and add to the dough. Cabbage can be grated or chopped and chopped a blender. Then you need to get juice. If you add to the juice of a red cabbage a little soda, then we will get blue pelmeni. It's a magic. I peeled and grated the beets. All that's left of the carrot, cabbage, beet can be used for borscht soup. Spinach can be added to salad. Our homemade natural dye is ready. It's not at all harmful, but even useful, while it doesn't affect the taste of the dough in any way. Let's make minced meat. I will show you the unusual method of making minced meat, but much easier to do it through a meat grinder. I have not meat grinder, so I will use another method. We remove the grater in the freezer, wait until it freezes, and then wrap on a large grater. Such minced has an interesting structure. Add onions, garlic, salt, pepper, and water or cream for juiciness. Eggs are needed so that the dough stretches better and don't tear during the manufacture of dumplings. Also, the dough needs a little salt. Here I decided to try knead the dough on the table, and there was a small fail, but in the end I can say that everything worked out. With purple and blue color, everything that found. The concentration of juice turned out to be small and the color turned out to be not saturated. It was necessary not to dilute the juice with water. Red is one of the most intense. And finally our beautiful dough is ready. It remains only to mold the dumplings. And finally our beautiful dough is ready. It remains only to blend the dumplings. It's necessary to roll the dough very well, so that it's thin. That's what we did. In order for the process of making pelmeni go faster, I will use this thing. I don't know exactly how it's called. If you can write about it in the comments. But you can make pelmeni with your hands. I have a video on the channel. Now everything will be understood here and without words. We put the first layer of the dough, lay the minced meat and close the second layer, right, and that's what we did. So repeat and with another dough. Wet your hands so that the stuffing doesn't stick, or put the stuffing with a spoon. In order for the dumplings to sleep well, it's necessary to dust everything well with flour. It took me 2 days to shoot this video, so some of the tribes had to be frozen. The main thing is to add flour so that the tribes don't stick together. You can also make dumplings by hands, or if there isn't much dough left. Pelmeni can be stored in the freezer for a very long time, so this amount is enough for a long time. Everyone liked it very much. Most of all I liked minced meat. You can buy these dumplings in the store. Now I will cook the dumplings and try. In fact, it looks like Photoshop. It's a great way to surprise your friends, so you feel free to repeat. Well, as for taste, it's just over some homemade dumplings with a delicious dough and juicy meat. In order to support me, you can see more video on my channel. I can advise them at the end. Thanks for all the warm comments. Нема.